Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this video, I will show you how you can install XAMPP on your Windows machine. If you are using a Linux machine, then please go ahead and download the Linux version and install it on your computer. If you're using a macOS machine, then please go ahead and download the macOS version and install it on your computer. The installation part is really easy. You just have to double click on the installer and then click on next and install. It's really simple. You know how it is. Alright, enough of me talking. I will now show you how you can install it on a Windows machine. So here is my installer on my desktop and I will double click on it. Here I will click on yes, and then I will have to wait for some second for the installer to show up. Alright, the installer is here, and yeah, continue with installation. Yes, just click on OK here and click on next. Leave everything as it is and then click on next, and then click on next, and language is English. Yes, click on next. First untick this, because if you don't untick this then it will open a web page and we don't want that. And click on next and click on next, and the installation has begun. Alright, the installation completed. I edited the video so that you don't have to see the entire installation process. Again, if you are having any trouble installing the software, do let me know in the discussion section below. And yes, we do want to start the control panel now, so just make sure that this is ticked and then click on finish, and this will start our XAMPP control panel. And here it is. This is our control panel, and this is the Apache server which will help us to run PHP code, and this is MySQL which will help us to run MySQL. And PHP and MySQL are both required to run WordPress. They are both required to run WordPress. So let's just start the Apache server and let's just start the MySQL server. And yeah, that's how you start these two things. If you want to stop it, then you can just click on stop and stop. Alright, that's it for this video. In the next video, I will show you how you can install WordPress on your system. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.